Find the positive value of x. That satisfies the equation which is equal to tan minus 1 of 3x plus tan minus 1 of 2x is equal to pi over 4. How to find the value, the equation, or how to find the value of x according to that. We need a positive only value of x. So it means that it's the x, it is all real number by using the domino function. The domino function of this is the all number. So to solve the question like that, answer for that. So tan of minus 1 of 3x plus arctan of 2x is equal to pi over 4. So multiply both sides by tan of 4 by tan. So it is equal what? So you get tan of tan minus 1 of 3x plus tan minus 1 of 2x is equal to tan of pi over 6. Pi over 4. Good. The tan of pi over 4 is equal what? Is equal what? So remember that tan of A plus B is equal what? Is equal to tan of A plus tan of B over 1 minus tan of A times tan of B. So this, suppose that this is equal A, this is equal B. So then tan of tan minus 1 of 3x plus tan minus 1 of 2x is equal what? Is equal tan minus 1 of 3x plus tan minus 1, tan of tan also of tan minus 1 of 2x over 1 minus tan of tan minus 1 of 3x times tan of minus 1 of tan minus 1 of 2x. So according to that, remember that tan of tan minus 1 of x is equal to x, because the tan of arctan of x is equal x. So then how to do this? So when we replace this in our equation, so we see that tan of A plus B, according to that, this is equal A, this is equal B, is equal what? Is equal tan of that, 3x plus 2x divided by 1 minus 3x times 2x. So this is equal 5x over 1 minus 6x squared. So replace this in our equation. So when you replace that in our equation, you see that the tan of that is equal 5x over 1 minus 6x squared is equal, the tan of that is equal 1. That is 1 over 1. By using cross product, 5x is equal 1 minus 6x squared. When you move this in that, 6x squared plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. How to solve the quadratic equation? We solve the quadratic equation by using also delta, or using another method. So then here is equal A is equal 6, B is equal 5, C is equal minus 1. So then delta is equal what? B squared, which is equal to 25, minus this, which is equal plus 24. 4 times 6 times 1 is equal 49. Square root of delta is equal 7. X1 is equal minus B, 5, plus square root of delta over 12 is equal 2 over 12. This is equal 1 over 6. X2 is equal minus 5 minus 7 over 12. This is equal minus 12 over 12. This is equal minus 1. We have the two value of x. So remember that we need the positive value of x. When we need the positive value of x, this is rejected. Then positive value of x is that value 1 over 6. This is the answer. Thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe. If you have the question, ask on your comment.